What's happening? A little while ago, one of my friends asked me about fire starters, what for lighting a charcoal chimney, and he wanted to make it using paraffin wax. And I ran through a quick little thingy on how to make one out of paraffin wax. Just for a laugh, I decided to make one out of sawdust and paraffin wax, and we'll see how that one works. This is just a can of potted meat. I don't think I consume that. I think I just dump it out because I just wanted the can. That is a collection of sawdust that's been poured into a can full of paraffin wax that had been melted. Or I might have poured the melted paraffin wax into the sawdust. I don't remember. As you can see, it's been used once before. I don't remember how effective. Let's start it and see how effective it is. Takes a little bit of effort to get it lit, but it's lit. See how big the flames get. Looks like it's going to be pretty effective. That's sawdust and paraffin wax in a little tin of food product, I guess. I don't know if I'd call that food product, but product. And it's burning quite merrily. That should light my whole chimney full of charcoal, and I should get several uses out of it. Yeah, that is burning very happily. Concerned about how I'm going to put it out. I'm going to do two at once here. I'd like to clarify that I am not responsible for what happens. You should try either of these. One's really gross and one's probably not exactly healthy. I'm gonna give them a go anyway. This one, I just cut the bottom off a Monster Energy can. Didn't bother doing a good job. I don't have high hopes for how this one's gonna turn out. It is just cardboard and the fat left over from ground beef when I made some chili or something. Yeah, this is going to be really gross. Let's see if it works. It's not wanting to light. There it goes. While it's thinking about, if this is windy, it probably wouldn't work at all. Let's move on to the other one I did. This one looks like I made an alcohol stove using some insulation. And what you do is you squirt some denatured alcohol in there, and the fiberglass insulation acts as a wick. I decided I want to sauce it up a little bit and use some paraffin to see if that would work. Produce a bigger flame and work better as a charcoal chimney starter. I'm going to light this one too. I'm trying to burn myself on the other one there. That one lit right away and went out right away. Good little bitty flame, and my other one went out. That was hot, in case you couldn't tell. It's weird because the screen's right in front of me, but the camera's off to one side. There's the flame. Whoa, 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 whoa. That one smells really bad. Throw a catalyst up there. Neither one of these are working very well. The beef fat doesn't want to stay lit, and the insulation isn't producing much of a flame. I was expecting a little better result than that. I'm going to leave them set for a few minutes and see what happens. It's not looking so good. That's the beef fat from cardboard. That's the fiberglass insulation and paraffin wax. Not looking that great. Curious though. If I did that, might be my result. It might work to start a chimney, especially once a draft got going. It might actually draw those flames up in there. But the beef fat one's just, that's a bit much. Start your fire with beef fat, yeah. I don't have any charcoal to start to see if it actually will. That's not the sun. That's a cloud being lit up by the sun, and it's really bright. It's really neat. Yeah, the flame it's coming up a little bit. Ooh, gotta say this handed. This one's coming up a little bit too. So these might work to start a charcoal chimney. Yeah, I don't know if I'd want to use fiberglass insulation and paraffin wax to start a fire that's going to cook food over. The beef fat and cardboard, it's kind of natural, and the paraffin's kind of natural, but the fiberglass insulation, that might be hazardous. Got an ant on me. But anyway, that is a couple of different examples of different ways to make fire starters. See you next time. Thanks for watching.